You're gonna love him. Please give it up for Christopher Anthony. This is the national anthem, huh, Chris?
Yeah.
Sorry, I called you Chris.
He's finding more and more songs about America for someone.
Yeah, for someone who fucking claimed that he couldn't.
Yeah.
I got upset. How you doing?
That was weird.
I got really into it just now. Yeah. How are you doing?
I'm alright.
You are from Miami. You live here, but you're from Miami.
Not originally. I immigrated from Bronx, New York, like every other Puerto Rican.
Okay. When do you... Wow, they fucking love that. I didn't get it at all.
They've seen enough Jennifer Lopez and John Leguizamo films to know what I'm talking about. These are my people.
Yeah, I love it.
They can also now all say they have at least one Puerto Rican friend, which makes their, more street rep.
Yeah, okay. So what do you identify with? Do you tell all of them to call you just now?
Yeah.
But you don't even have a phone.
504-321-3376. What's up?
321-4376.
3376.
That's a fake number. That's the fakest number I've ever heard in my life.
The Google voice. Maybe I answered, maybe I don't.
Do you want these people to call you tonight?
Sure.
Okay. Be careful, because this dude will text you at all hours of the night.
Really late.
Christopher, are you celebrating tomorrow?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Watching things over the water.
Watching things over the water?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's so specific.
Yeah. I'm going to get as close to things that can make fire go away while looking at things that are currently on fire.
Dude, that's actually really fucking smart.
Thank you.
That's so smart.
Yeah.
Okay. What time is it?
Oh my god, I'm getting a call right now.
Hold on, can you answer it?
By Sarah Pounders.
I'm pushing
Who's
this.
Sarah Pounders? Is that even a real number?
Wait, how does your name pull up if you don't know this person?
Because I have a special service because of what I do, so I know.
Okay, Jesus.
Can you guys not call me during the 90 seconds I have though?
Sure.
I will get back to you. Jesus.
Sarah Pounder.
Sarah Pounder sounds like a porn star. I swear that's what came up on my watch phone.
Sarah Pounder is part-time employee of Brothers.
They probably also. Wow, you're very familiar with a specific website.
So?
The one that costs money. You're like, I live in the Bywater off St. Claude. Also, I pay for porn. Thank you. Are you guys getting the free shit? Fuck you.
Okay, for real, if you don't pay for your porn, that is the skeeziest, lamest thing I've ever heard of in my life. For real, you should pay for porn. You think these people are putting themselves through this and doing all this for your fucking cheap ass and do it for free?
I mean, they get paid in
And likes and comments from weirdos? That's what we do. We get paid in likes and comments.
Compliments. We're comics.
Alright,
Oh my god, stop fucking calling!
Yes.
That is my number!
Sarah, call me.
225-400-2160. I'm just gonna say, that's the wrong number. Just to protect you, because
Do you work for NASA? Why do you have a space watch?
It's like $10 more.
Well, you should pay for porn then. Okay.
Alright, that's way more!
Ladies and gentlemen, y'all please make some noise for Christopher Anthony!
Okay, my first concern is this audience, because you guys all look like you stopped buying Bud Light, but not for the same reason your dads did. Just like, we just switched to Truly because, less calories, excuse me. This looks like a support group for people trying to figure out what to do with a poli-sci major. That's highly accurate, and you fucking know it. Alright, Independence Day. Independence Day is a beautiful day because it gives a 27-year-old who still lives in his aunt's basement and is building up his mage class, he can say he's also celebrating his independence. So there's that. The great thing about the 4th of July is that it's a birthday, but no one has to buy any gifts. So for one day a year, we're all Jehovah's Witnesses. Go figure. That's a religious joke, you guys are great. Alright. I don't know if you guys know this. It's a little bit ironic, but hear me out. We celebrate our freedom by honoring all the men and women who had to endure heavy amounts of gunfire, large explosives, and colored flares enemies would use to mark where to bomb. And we honor them by lighting long strings of firecrackers, setting off M80s, and shooting fucking colors in the sky. Am I right? Oh my god, that makes so much sense. But New Orleanians get to play this wonderful guessing game. All my natives, you know this. It's called firework or firearm. You look up, okay, get down on the ground! Get down! Wait it out, Grandma, wait it out. You guys been great, thank you.
Thank you, Christopher Anthony. We're going to move right along. We only got a handful of comedians left. Your next one coming to the stage. Y'all please make some noise for Terry Scott. Jesus Christ. Terry Scott, how you doing?
I'm blessed. Highly favored.
How blessed are you? How blessed are you?
I was hoping you were going to ask me what are the crazy thing I go blew up for 4th of July.
No, that would be your best friend Greg's
No.
dick. Sorry, I fucked it up.
A sex toy.
Oh, I was right. I was right. You blew up a sex toy. Was it inside of you when you blew it up?
Oh my God.
That's just you farting on your dildo, Terry. That's all that is.
When I put my AARP card, because I'm an old black man from Mississippi, so I get more time because I put my AARP card.
How much time should we give this old black man from Mississippi?
I can get out my chest.
Okay.
9 seconds.
9 seconds. 10. I heard 10.
8.
Y'all have to give him seconds off of your life, right? I don't know how we're gonna police that, but I'm gonna. Okay, that's fine. Wow, Georgia's really into it. Okay, Terry, do you want to talk about 4th of July, or did we just do that?